guys never really saw my room before, but it's a little bit more real when it's empty, huh? But yeah, dead, white, all gone. Not sad times, new beginnings. A goodbye message?
Goodbye, Kieran. See you on the flip side.
Fantastic. Voilà.
It's a tiny camera.
It's got a big heart.
Goodbye, my friend.
I'll stick to your day job. Mother?
Oh.
Yes,
I'll catch you on the slopes someday soon. Someday real soon.
So it begins. Thought it was going to be more sad, especially when like everyone else is crying around me, and I feel really bad that I'm not like upset. But I guess I don't know. I'm excited to do snowboarding, and I guess the new life ahead of me. Yeah. Some more nice for the party.
You want the privacy or the clear? It's the same price.
3,309. So this is like the gate we were in last time, which is shut. But this is where I was sitting when I first saw Tomo. So I was literally sitting here, and he came over there. He was still over there for ages, and I was like, "Who is this guy that is dressed like a World War One veteran?" And he was really nice. Came over, was talking, and then I think I was sitting next to him or near him on the plane, and then we were sharing the room together. And then yeah, our friendship has blossomed. Thank you to everyone that's like sent me messages, because my phone contract has actually run out, and I had to connect with my phone when I got here. And then as I've connected, I've just got so many messages, and most people like from Snow Center and stuff like that. But it's been good. Like safe flight, save this, save that.
This is a specification announcement for Air Serbia flight UK112 for Martinez.
And then yeah, I just feel really bad because I don't know. You see it in the films, like you go to the airport and everyone's crying, and then we didn't have the space in the car, so my mum couldn't come. My dad dropped me off. He's like, "Yeah, see you later, son." Well, actually, he said, "Don't do anything stupid," which I don't know. Can I do that? Because I'm deciding to quit my life to go snowboarding. That's not stupid at all. But yeah, it's just sad. Like my sisters are sad, but they'll be fine to get over it. My mum has just been like crying all morning. But again, like, don't worry, I'm okay. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully she watches this and then she's like, oh yeah, no, he's okay. He's living his best life, doing stuff. But yeah, it's just sad. It was sad yesterday. Like my whole room was like empty. Like I had nothing in my room. It was like sleeping. Like I just moved in. But it's what it is. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta follow your dreams. Even if that means moving to the other side of the world with pretty much nobody you know, doing something you haven't really done too much of. It's gonna be a fun adventure. Probably. Well, Bartholomew was at the airport. I don't know if I'm gonna make this a thing. But for now, landed, got my stuff. Had to go the whole way out of the airport to get my visa. I was like, oh, you can just walk back in that way. Go back in, Mum was like, no, you can't.
I'm Taxi Jack. Welcome to the Canadian McDonald's part of the vlog. Here we go. McDonald's. This is Walmart. This is Kieran, my snowboard journey, and I'm the bearded boarder. You should follow my Instagram and TikTok.
It's the equivalent of 5 AM in the morning. I've been up for fuck knows how many hours. And now I'm wandering around Walmart. Yeah.
Like things just kept happening.